Kiddos, quick review with codominance. A little bit different than normal dominant and recessive. So we're going to say the color of jellyfish is controlled by codominance. What does that mean? Well, if there's codominance, that means both alleles are dominant and they both show up. So I say co-show. Codominance, co-show, both traits show up. So in this example, we're going to use two alleles. We're going to say yellow is a capital J with a little superscript Y, and blue is going to be a capital J with a superscript B. And again, notice both are capital letters because they're both dominant alleles. We're going to use a little kind of name tag up here with a Y for yellow and a B for blue. Again, that's not an exponent, that's nothing with math, just a little name tag. So we're going to figure out the phenotypes from the genotypes listed. So if I have two JY or two yellow alleles, that is going to be a yellow jellyfish. If I have two JB, if I have two blue alleles, that is going to be a blue jellyfish. However, in codominance, if I have one yellow JY and one blue JB, if I have one yellow and one blue allele, codominance, co-show, they both show up, that would be a striped jellyfish. Both blue and yellow stripes, or sometimes it could be a spotted organism, but both traits show up. It'd be blue and yellow stripes, or blue and yellow spots. An example problem here, ladies and gentlemen, if we have, let's say again, jellyfish is controlled by codominance, co-show, both traits show up. We have a yellow allele and we have a blue allele. Cross a blue jellyfish with a striped jellyfish. Well, if it's going to be a blue jellyfish, it would have to be both blue alleles are JB, JB. I'm going to cross that with the striped jellyfish. The way I get a striped jellyfish is by having one yellow allele and one blue allele. Remember, codominance, if you have two different alleles, both traits show up. So what are the percentages of each color of jellyfish from the cross? We'll go and cross these. So I got a JY and a JB. I got a JB and a JB. Got another JY and a JB allele. And then down here, they're going to be both JB, JB. So, what percent of each color do I have? Well, if we look here, let's just start with blue. So what percent of my babies would be blue? Well, this one has one yellow and one blue. That wouldn't work. One yellow and one blue. That wouldn't work. Two blue alleles. I would have 50% blue. What about yellow? Are any of these yellow? Well, these are both blue. This has a Y allele and a blue allele, a yellow allele and a blue allele. Well, those wouldn't be totally yellow, remember? So we're going to have 0% yellow. What these would be down here, if I have one yellow and one blue allele, or one Y and one B, remember, codominance is going to be, they both show up. So in this case, we're going to say we have 50% striped jellyfish. In codominance, ladies and gentlemen, if you have one of each allele or it's heterozygous, the heterozygous genotype in codominance, co-show, both traits show up. So we'll say yellow and blue striped jellyfish.